how to overcome procrastination. It's myOrganized.life live, February 12th, 2019. I'll get around to the show intro
when I feel like it.
Mm-hmm. Because
you're a procrastinator.
Yes.
I think all of us are.
Isn't that
in a little bit.
How on the beginning of this show we kind of dramatized the theme?
Yes.
Isn't that weird? Is that because I had theater in college? I don't know. Maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe we're just trying to make this interesting. What is this? This is myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and dramatize the show topic in order to pull you in as a viewer. And
today we're talking about
procrastination.
And how to
I thought we were never going to get around to it.
Well, we did. We got to keep the show moving.
We do.
We don't want to lose people's interest.
So we're going to talk about 10 strategies to overcome procrastination.
Well, look at this article. Okay, so this is on SME.com.
SME.com. So how do you get there? You go to SME.com. In the search bar, type in overcoming procrastination.
And you'll see this long article. There's way more than 10 things here.
You won't see the long article. You'll see a link, and that'll click you through to the girl going like this, like, no wonder I want to procrastinate because there's all these strategies and I don't have time to go through them all. And we're not going to go through them all either, right?
Because Debbie Rosemont wrote this, and she broke it down to 10 causes of procrastination, 10 strategies to address and combat procrastination, and then use these strategies to fight procrastination, and then address them again.
So we have 350 strategies to overcome strategies.
Did this print out weird? No.
No, that's a lot. This is a Debbie Rosemont kind of thing.
Yes,
she is very thorough.
She admitted that she procrastinated writing this article.
Well, I wonder why, because it's like 385 techniques and tips.
So I would highly recommend going here.
Yes, go to SME.com.
Don't just listen to us. Go here as well.
Right.
Okay, so let's just highlight a few.
Highlight a few.
10 are primary causes to procrastination.
Causes of procrastination.
Self-control. You have none. Just kidding. Self-control. You may be unable to prioritize. That might be your problem.
Yes.
Let's see.
It may be. It very well is.
A fear of failure. We've talked about this before.
That's a real common one.
People are afraid,
Yeah, I know. They don't want to do something because they might screw up.
Maybe I'll screw up. I don't want to do it.
I might do it wrong. Yes.
Let's see. Depression. Someone who is experiencing clinical depression. It can be hard to get started on something.
Very hard. Yes.
And perfectionism. This is the number one cause. Perfectionism can be paralyzing.
A bunch of people like that. They want to have it. They're not going to do it until it's done perfectly.
It's perfect, right? And sometimes done is enough.
Right. That's right.
Yep.
Like I think it was Microsoft said, just ship it. So that way you can, you write a version of the software and get it out there.
And they'll fix the bugs later.
The users will tell you about the bugs and you fix the bugs.
There you go.
Nothing's going to be perfect.
Right. Okay.
So
those are the few. Then
kind of the causes.
Here's strategies to address each and then combat.
How do you address these?
Gain clarity. So ask questions of yourself or someone else to better understand your objective.
Be like your 3-year-old who asks a lot of questions. Does she say, why? Why? We'll do this. Okay, why?
She gets more descriptive than that.
Okay.
Mom, why are you putting your wipers on?
Yes.
Mom, why is the horse laying down?
Yes, right. Yeah. Well,
why are we going? Why
She's
isn't it the weekend?
Clarity.
Why isn't it the weekend?
Yeah, I ask that actually every day.
I want it to be the weekend.
Clarity, very important.
Clarity, yep. Yeah. Okay. Stop messing around. Sometimes we just need some discipline to stop like interruptions or just buckle down and do it.
Tell that to your kids.
Block time. Block time. Make these tasks a priority.
Yes.
And let's see, it was another one. Ask someone to hold you accountable.
Yes.
We've done that before.
Yes, we've talked about that many times. Accountability is really one of those things that will keep you kind of committed to somebody else, them committed to you, and therefore you'll get things done because you told someone you were going to do it.
Exactly.
You can't procrastinate.
Right.
Or you can do people who come to the meeting and, you might ask them a few minutes before, hey, you ready for the meeting? I'm just kind of finishing up a few things. They procrastinate, but they get it done because they know they got to be there.
Exactly.
Right.
And then just some things that you can do, again, establish rewards. So if, you,
great way.
okay, if I work for an hour, then I can
Yes.
have a little teeny tiny Hershey
A
Kiss.
little M&M
Or chips in
or
your
chips
case.
maybe. I
Yeah.
know. Oh, my downfall.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Anyway.
great. That's a very thorough article. Only would expect that from Debbie Rosemond,
course.
right?
Yep.
And you can find that over at sme.com. In the search bar, just type "overcoming procrastination." Don't procrastinate. Do it
Do it now.
now or like in about a minute after we're done
After
with the
we
show.
wrap up?
We
Okay.
wouldn't want you to leave this show early.
No.
Because we still need to tell you about what's coming up tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yes. It's
Which is Wednesday.
Wednesday, podcast day. And because we have a calendar here now,
Yes,
because
we
I
do.
didn't procrastinate doing
You
it.
didn't.
We have Janine Adams.
Janine Adams, brand new podcast.
Yes. Do you
guest.
remember what her topic is?
I don't, because
Me
we
neither.
did these ones before Christmas.
Yes, we
you
did.
know, And so, we'll just tune in. It'll be fresh for me, too.
Yep. And then
we do-
Solution Day Thursday
Yes,
and Belong Around Up,
on
your favorite
Friday
show.
And yours. And,
Yes.
yes, it's going to be a full week as usual. We never disappoint.
Right. Yep.
And and we never procrastinate because we're here 2 p.m.
Central.
3 Eastern, noon Pacific. Actually, sometimes we do, I think it was last week, we had a computer glitch.
Oh.
And the computer
Oh,
was
yeah.
booting
That's
up, so it kind of started at about 5 after 2.
Okay.
If you get here exactly at 2, 99% of the time we're on, but we do have
Sometimes,
computer
yes.
issues. And
We're
we
only
are-
human.
And we're installing Windows 10 now on that studio computer, so
Yep.
you never know. We haven't fully beta tested it yet. So we're working on that. But now you can head over to sme.com and get the article. Also, we should remind them to follow us
Oh my
on
gosh.
Instagram.
Yes, we've
My
got so
Organized
many
Life.
followers now.
Yes,
Thank
it's
you for
great.
following.
Yes, and we follow you back because this is a community. We'll show you behind the scenes stuff on Instagram, some fun things, and it's going to be fun.
It is.
We like it.
Yeah,
it's
fun.
Instagram's good, Facebook's good, YouTube's good. That's where you can find this show too. Especially if right now you might be watching it on YouTube on the replay.
Right.
So lots of ways to connect with us via social media.
That's right.
All right, well, that's it for today. We'll be back tomorrow for Podcast Wednesday right here on myOrganized.life live. Get organized now at myOrganized.life. Need to turn those piles into files? We've got you covered. Hundreds of organizing products in a dazzling array of colors and sizes. There's an organizing solution for you. Shop online and they're delivered right to your office. Get organized now. Go to myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. Get organized now at myOrganized.life.